In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add DNS records in Vercel. First, open your Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to configure. Click on the three dots next to your project name and choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Domain section. Here, you'll see your connected domains and an option to add a new one. Click on Add, then enter the domain name you want to connect. Once your domain is added, you can manage its DNS records. Click on Manage DNS to add or edit records like A, CNAME, or TXT records, depending on what your project requires. Enter the required values for each record, such as the host, type, and value. After entering the details, click Save to apply the changes. Vercel will now use these DNS records to correctly route traffic to your project. Make sure to check your domain to confirm it's pointing to your Vercel project. And that's it! You've successfully added DNS records in Vercel and connected your domain to your project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Vercel and web development tutorials.